Ibuprofen is one of the most widely used non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs worldwide. The 200 mg tablet is commonly used for mild to moderate pain, fever, and inflammation and is often available as an over-the-counter medication. In this video, we will discuss ibuprofen 200 mg in detail, covering its pharmacology, clinical uses, safety profile, interactions, and monitoring, based on standard medical textbooks. Introduction. Ibuprofen belongs to the NSAID class and is a propionic acid derivative. It provides effective relief from pain, fever, and inflammation and is considered safer than many older NSAIDs when used at low doses for short durations. Brand names: 200 mg. Ibuprofen 200 mg is available under multiple brand names globally. Many of these formulations are sold over the counter, making ibuprofen one of the most commonly self-medicated analgesics. Dosage forms. Ibuprofen is available in various dosage forms to suit different age groups. The 200 mg tablet is the most commonly used form in adults for pain and fever. Route of administration. Ibuprofen 200 mg is administered orally. It is recommended to take it after food or with milk to reduce gastric irritation and improve tolerability. Dose. The usual adult dose of ibuprofen is 200 to 400 mg every 6 to 8 hours. For over-the-counter use, the maximum daily dose is 1,200 mg, while under medical supervision it can be increased up to 3,200 mg per day. Mechanism of action. Ibuprofen works by reversibly inhibiting cyclooxygenase 1 and cyclooxygenase 2 enzymes. This leads to reduced prostaglandin production, which decreases pain sensitivity, inflammation, and fever. Pharmacokinetics. Ibuprofen is rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract, with peak plasma levels reached within 1 to 2 hours. It is metabolized in the liver and excreted mainly by the kidneys. Indications. Ibuprofen 200 mg is commonly used for headaches, fever, dental pain, menstrual pain, and musculoskeletal discomfort. It is effective for short-term symptomatic relief. Common side effects. The most common side effects of ibuprofen are gastrointestinal in nature and occur due to inhibition of protective prostaglandins in the stomach. Serious adverse effects. Serious adverse effects are uncommon at low doses but include gastrointestinal bleeding, kidney injury, and increased cardiovascular risk when used at higher doses or for prolonged periods. Contraindications. Ibuprofen should not be used in patients with active peptic ulcer disease, severe renal impairment, known NSAID hypersensitivity, or during the third trimester of pregnancy. Precautions. Caution is required in elderly patients, those with hypertension, asthma, or dehydration. Long-term use should be avoided unless medically indicated. Drug-drug interactions. Ibuprofen increases bleeding risk when combined with anticoagulants and corticosteroids. It may reduce the effectiveness of antihypertensive medications. Drug-food interactions. Taking ibuprofen with food reduces stomach upset. Alcohol should be avoided as it increases the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. Monitoring parameters. Monitoring is usually not required for short-term use, but renal function and blood pressure should be monitored during prolonged therapy. Lab tests. These tests help detect kidney injury or occult gastrointestinal bleeding in patients using ibuprofen long-term. Thank you for watching this detailed pharmacology lecture on ibuprofen 200 meters G. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical education videos.